Good morning everyone. It's me again, Micaela and Pahela, and now i-discuss naman natin the benefits of instructional materials. So ano-ano ba mga benefits ang makukuha natin with using instructional materials sa pagtuturo? So first one, benefits is practicality. So instructional materials allow the students to learn their work as they put it into practice. It also helps the student to understand the work in a practical way. So, with the use of instructional materials such as mga tracing letters, booklets, is mas napapractice nilang magsulat. Although practice makes perfect, the materials also makes the work more rewarding. So, in another perspective, with the use of instructional materials nga is mas natututunan nila ang isang topic in a practical way. With that, mas nai-apply nila ito sa kanilang buhay. Naintindihan? The second one is appealing. So, there are materials like visual and graphics that helps the students see the work in a more appealing way. So, another benefit nga ng instructional materials ay it is appealing. Kasi nga, mas nakukuha nito ang atensyon ng mga bata. With that, mas nag-i-store sa utak nila kung ano ang tinuturo mo. So, may chance din na di nila ito malimutan hanggang sa pagtanda nila. So, the third one is confidence. It helps the students dominate the class and be confident in the lesson given. So, another benefit nga is yung, ito yung nakaka-boost ng confidence na isang bata. Like, kahit saan siya magpunta, masasabi niya kung ano yung natutunan niya sa school with the confidence kasi alam niya kung ano sasabihin niya dahil nga effective ang pagtuturo mo with the help of instructional materials. Intindihan? And lastly, number 4 is efficiency of teachers. So, tayo bilang pre-service teachers is connected din sa atin to. So, efficiency of teachers. So, instructional materials are materials to assist the teachers. However, if the students properly learn what was taught, it helps the teacher to become more confident and efficient. So, di ba, kahit nga tayong mga pre-service teacher pa, is nakaka-boost ng confidence pag alam mong may natututunan ang mga klase mo from your reporting. So, ganun din ma-feel natin sa mga bata. Pag actively participating ang mga bata at alam mong may natutunan sila, is nakaka-boost ng confidence natin. Also, the students will utilize the knowledge thereby making the teaching process more rewarding. And that would be all from my part, and thank you.